It's a rainy day here in Connecticut. I gotta get it together because I'm feeling like taking a nap. But we're not gonna do that. We got some work to do.
Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm gonna tell myself to keep playing this record back over and over.
Alright, so as you can see, I gotta sneeze. Okay. Alright, so as you can see, I've already set up for the most part. I just gotta take out my lash trays, my tweezers, and all my disposable items. Oops. So I've got my volume lash tray out, which I clearly need to add more strips to. So I'm gonna fill that up in just a minute. And for her, I usually go from 10 millimeter all the way up to 14 millimeter 0.03 volume trays in CC Curl. So I'm going to fill this back up. I'm also going to get my classic lash tray out because it's a hybrid or a light volume set. I call mine light volume. I'm going to do that. I'm going to take out a lint-free wipe for my glue. I already laid out my tape. I'm also going to so I've been using these. I only have one left on this panel. Obviously, I've been enjoying it, and I'm just using these to lift the eye a little bit because it has a portion where there is no adhesive, which obviously is great for your brows so it doesn't tug on your brow hairs, and sometimes the tape does take out your brow hairs. So this is a good option. It came with a ton in the pack, so I'm gonna go and grab a new one because I usually use two, one on each eye. Sometimes I can take that one off of one eye and put it on the other if it's still tacky enough, but sometimes it loses its stickiness after being on the first eye, especially if you have an oily client. I'm going to take out 2 glue rings, and that one's gonna go in the trash. 2 glue rings, and I'm going to get a lash brush to clean, some under eye gel pads. I'm not going to grab my micro swabs today only because I ran out of bonder, so I'm going to just be using my nano mister today. I am going to grab some lip wands for priming, and then 1 spoolie back here. Oh, that's not a spoolie. That must have fell. And 1 spoolie. So we've got that. I'm gonna go grab me some volume tweezers. So here is the rest of those adhesive strips. Just grab that. Grab one of those to keep on my cart. Rest I just keep my 10 millimeter, 13 millimeter, and 12 millimeter. I've been really liking the T-Dance tweezers for volume, the T-Dance volume tweezers, so I'm going to use these and then finish setting up my tray. I think I'm going to start using this chair for over here and get a new desk chair, because this chair, the saddle back is supposed to be good for your back, or your posture, and I don't like it. I'm not comfortable in it. So something like that where it's wider and it actually has a full back, I think would be more comfortable. So we'll see.
Can we get it together? I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, even though I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body. My let you go, baby. At last to my body so crazy, baby. I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I
every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Till I feel the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room, perfume, go.
Today is Friday. It is almost the end of my work week. Today, it's not a busy day, but I do have 3 clients. My first client is at 8 o'clock. It's 7:19 now. So I just want to get my coffee in. You know, I got to get my coffee in first. She is a volume full set. Then I have a brow wax. And then I have a full facial. I am very much in my Friday mode. I already started my setup yesterday before I even left. So I have my bed ready, and then I have most of my cart set up. I just need to pull out the lashes and tweezers. So I'm going to do that now and pull my bed up. So before I leave for the day, I always push my bed back. I don't know why. It's a habit that I created. I just feel like it opens up the space a little bit more when I don't have a client actively here. And why that matters, I don't know. I like the way it looks. So now I'm going to pull it out like I do every morning. Let me show you. So I slide it out and then I kind of like angle it. Push it a little bit this way. I took my Zyrtec this morning, so that should kick in shortly, and then I won't be sniffly. Like, I'm trying to see who this is because I hope it ain't my client this early. Can we get it together?
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. But baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell.
So clearly I need to go grocery shopping for the studio because I am all out of my oat milk creamer. Alright, so my breakfast is going to be Zyrtec nasal spray, coffee, a banana, and the knockoff, I can't remember what these are called, the name brand, but you guys know what this is. But these are good, the cranberry orange. This lotion, the apricot and clementine smells so freaking good.
Good morning, everybody. Let's get into some front page news. Good morning, Tiz. Good morning, D. To that, and then I'm going to come back and give you some more information. Anyone in cases right now on the Colorado case going to Muffin?
What is happening in the world? So, if I could offer some love and...
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You can get away. Come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you.
one more client and then I am all done. My tripod came in from Amazon. I'm actually taking this to the IBS show on Sunday. So I will be recording that. I'm gonna make that its own separate vlog.
Because it says it kills the bacteria.
It should,
Yeah.
so especially because it's doing it within.
But I don't want to do it too often because I read that how it dries some people out. But
Okay. Today has been an interesting day. It is 1:20 right now. I just took a client for her brow wax and tint, and I wish. Go sit down. I wish I would have remembered that to record it, but honestly, I didn't even think she was going to show up, and I was a little flustered. My first client, who had two long services, had to cancel because she's sick. And then my ex-husband, the kid's father, he wasn't feeling amazing, so he just went to the doctor, which means I had to take the kids to work with me while he gets that figured out. And hopefully he is on his way to come get them because I have two more clients. One of them is a underarm wax and a leg wax. I will record that. And then my last, and I mean last, nail client, period, unless it's for myself or my daughters. I don't do nails no more. I also made it clear to this person I won't be doing her nails anymore after this. So yeah, but I will try to record a little bit of that and my makeshift setup. My kids are in the waiting room at the moment, and I'm about to set up for my wax.
Okay, but I have to tell you one thing.
What?
I really love you, and you're my sweet mommy.
I really love you too, and you're my sweet Luna.
Okay.
Love you.
Because of my hair. Because of my hair?
No, your hair looks gorgeous.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You look gorgeous.
You look gorgeous too.
Thank you. Alright, so like I said earlier, today did not go as planned. The kids are gone. I finished my wax that I did not record, but I'm about to do nails, which, yeah.
In order to protect all who receive the vaccine, don't get it this way if you've had a severe allergic reaction to its ingredients. People with okay. Now the attack will be incredibly quick and full of the employees. Friends can give their unfiltered accounts of what really goes on in the real community. So check out Healthcare with John Bell and see 8 months. I'm like, I don't even know if I really love. I'm
done for the day. As you can see, it is dark outside. It is pouring. I don't know if you can see the rain, but it is pouring outside. I'm about to go get me some food. Where from, I don't know yet, but I'm hungry, so I need to eat. I always feel like such a loser a little bit whenever I don't have anything to do on my weekends that the kids are with their dad. It makes me feel a little sad sometimes, but whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna go get me some food. I actually just made a flyer for the LashCon event that I was telling you guys about. So let me show you what that's gonna look like. I thought I was gonna be able to have it printed out because you know Staples does same day print for pickup. I thought I was gonna be able to pick it up tonight. I know I'm pushing it. I should have done this way earlier, but I was busy today. So yeah, so I won't be able to print it out tonight because I wanted to have it for the trade show tomorrow, but that's okay. At least I have them done up because like I said, LashCon is not until October anyway. But let me show you guys. All right, so I'm doing this on Canva. This is going to be the front of like the postcard. I think I'm gonna get this postcard size, so that'll be the front, and it just shows you, like, you know, basic, like what it is, the name of the expo and all of that. And then I've got my QR code here that will take them directly to the events page for this specific event. Down here is just a little picture of me and, you know, who I am, and that I'm the host, that I'm also a licensed lash technician and esthetician, first and last name, and then licensed since 2020, solo spa owner. Then I have all my social media handles here, and then a blurb on what LashCon is and what I would like to, or the environment I would like to create that day, and who's invited, pretty much. So this is going to be what I'm going to pass around, leaving people's, you know, mailboxes. Oh, and down here I just have like the day, the time, and then the location. So I don't have the exact like physical location yet, but I do know it'll be in Hamden, Connecticut. So yeah, I think this is going to be a good time. I'm excited about it. I want to do this every year in October, and the fall is my favorite season. So I feel like it's fitting, and it just, you know, I don't know, gives everybody something else to look forward to. And a lot of trade shows are typically in like the spring/summer, so fall time would be nice to do this at. So I'm excited for Connecticut's first lash expo. It'll be a good time. But yeah, I gotta figure out what I'm gonna eat. I want something like bad for me, like bread, pasta, cheese, something good but bad. This is gonna be it for this vlog, and then I'm going to start recording tomorrow for LashCon. I've got my tripod, so I mean, not for LashCon, for the aesthetics trade show. I do need to run to Marshall, so I actually might do that too, because I want to find me a cute little book bag. I do want to be comfortable walking around. I don't want to, we're going to be cute, but not overdoing it. We're walking around in New York at the end of the day, so I might also pop over there and do that. It's only 6:34, so everything's still open on a good Saturday. So yeah, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for tomorrow's video. I don't know if it's posting tomorrow, but stay tuned for the next video. Bye.